Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Today I am making everyone's favorite jacky potato with cheese and beans. It is actually filling and very good source of carbs. Can be eaten at any time of the day. These are quite healthy if you really think about it. Also, there is no frying or oil involved. Okay, let's get started. First, we will boil the potatoes for 10 minutes. And then when it boiled and turned soft, then we let it cool for about 5 minutes. They've been boiled. Now I'm leaving for 10 minutes to get cool. Now I'm cutting the potato through the middle. And then adding baked beans and grated cheese on top of that. You can see they are so soft and nice. This recipe is very easy and very quick and so simple. Beans. Here is baked beans. I already warmed up in microwaves. So you can put baked beans how much you like. Baked beans already very healthy and full of energy and protein. See, so simple and very easy way to using. Now I'm putting them into microwaves for 1.5 minutes so cheese can melt. They are looking so beautiful. They give so nice smell and taste. Really nice, as you can see. See, they are so soft and beautiful. If you like my recipe, please like and subscribe my channel and make this recipe and enjoy yourself. It's very lovely and very soft and so yummy.